Are we live? We good? We Gucci? Everybody, everybody, good morning. Welcome. Also, thank you for welcoming me into your space. Y'all, it's the last trading day of the year. I'm gonna be real. Probably not too much trading going on, but yeah, we gonna have a good time. And oh, there gonna be stocks moving a little bit while we're here on stream. So with that said, let's see how we're checking in, starting out for the day. Checking out the votes. Looks like we got about 8 votes rolled in so far. Oh, 9 votes. The votes rolling in. Uh, only 2 like button smashes though. Come on, where we at? It's the last day of the year. You want to end the year on a doo doo note, or you want to bring the good energy? Where the likes at? But Osama, top of the morning. Good morning. Yeah, how you doing? How you doing? We're closing the year out. We're not expecting too much today. Low volume. We kind of sold off a little bit. Down a little bit to start the day. Kevin, what's up? Top of the morning. Yo, happy to make contact with you before we cross into the new year. Cool. Oh, Kevin from Lakeland, Florida. Oh, hold up. I forgot to click that setting. I don't think I could do it. Why can I not do that? I meant to do it. Oh well. You said the volume is low. Yeah, so something broke. Something broke. I broke my microphone yesterday. So here, I can see if I can adjust it. But yeah, it is reading low. Here, let's see. Hey, top of the morning, D Scur. Yeah, let's see if can I make it louder. Unfortunately, I did break something yesterday. Wait, I might be able to make it louder. Hold on. Let me go into my let me go into my settings. Let me go into my settings. Yeah, yeah, my microphone broke yesterday. I gotta go into my computer settings. But here, I'll put y'all like I'll put y'all like right by my mouth. Try to project a little more. But yeah, I can see. Let me see. Audio. Let's see. Background sounds. Hold on, I'm trying to optimization. Yo, I might just have to talk really loud today, cause here, I'm gonna put this right by my mouth and just talk into it, cause yeah, I'm not really finding a way to do it, and I kind of broke the I broke the connector I had from my microphone yesterday, and I don't think I don't think another one's coming till Friday. I ordered it like right after I broke it, but yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna just try my best today, and we'll. Oh, it's really sad. Really sad. Like not too much I can do though. Yeah, I'm gonna just be like this all day. All right, so let's get in here and look at things. Charles, top of the morning. Hey, hey. Oh, happy on the way out of the year. Happy you could stop by. You said that sounds better. Hey, that's good. I'm trying my best. I gotta project a little more. Appreciate the feedback, D Scurv. All right, so on the day, kind of have a little bit of a downtrend. Let's see if we. What was this? This was a little before market open. Honestly, don't think it really means too much, but if we have like a solid trend that we can watch, that means we can watch for a break of the trend. So let's see that. Let's look at this on a few different time frames. All right, so I would say I would say that looks in order. Let's see what it looks like on the 5. You said Best Buy has them if you're in a pinch on the mic. Uh Best Buy does. But I'm also like, I don't know, it's like I'm also in a pinch on time too. Like, my wife and I, like, we share a car right now, and like when she is, like, by the time she is back, we collectively have stuff we need to do. And for some reason their delivery times are like insane, but like pickups, oh, it's weird. Okay, cool. What's my take on we can I mean on the look, first off, we'll start on the 4 hour. Actually, hold up. So SoFi is in all the trends. It depends on what time frame you look at. On the 4 hour, SoFi is technically in an uptrend. I think. Yeah, it's technically in an uptrend on the 4 hour. Oh, unless depending on what you're looking at, market structure wise, it's in an uptrend. Um, so that could kind of be a good look. If you come down and look at it on a day, look on something like the wait, what is this? 15? Is in a downtrend. SoFi is weird, short term. If I were to do anything with SoFi, I would defer to the fact that it's in an uptrend on the 4 hour. Um, this is the current range, and then also if you look at the edge of its range, you got liquidity here. So if I were playing SoFi, the money move is going to be when it sweeps this right here. So it came really close to it today, but it comes to 26, 27. Is that, yeah. No, 26, 28 or whatever. It comes and sweeps that. Maybe it pushes down a little bit more. That's go for calls. Minimal move, I would look for a move up to like almost 27. But assuming the trend continues, assuming we get like more bullishness to start this upcoming year, looking for it to cross this previous high over here at about 27.70, that looks like money. All right, let's see. Henry, top of the morning. Kong, top of the morning. Hey, everybody. Oh, we're in here. We got 21 people on. We only got what I'm seeing 5 likes. Yo, come through. Smash the like button. We don't want to come out the year with that negativity. All right. Looking at the SPY, the little trend line we got drawn for the SPY, it looks like it might try to push up. Might try to push up from here. Let's see. Get a little the hiking Ashley's already kind of changed. Oh, that's Apple. That's Apple. Hold up. My bad. Switch that back to the SPY. Okay, so yeah, we might have a little breakout action here potentially. No crazy volume or anything, but Henry said TQQQ 53 call. Here, let me drop to a 15. Okay, yeah, the Qs does appear to have some good momentum on the lower time frame. I would say, yo, if they can get above this like 17 kind of 85 or whatever, yo, you might get continued movement on that. Move one, put fireworks on top of the like button and light it. Oh yeah, but also make sure to make sure you don't burn your computer or the screen, cause I know these aren't cheap. You said that's what you're going for. Henry? Are you going for the breakout, or are you going for like is that's your target and you're about to like take profit? Cause it's like pretty much there. Uber just bought them on the day. Hey, oh, really, really? Here, let's swap out Nvidia. Let's take a look at Uber. Let's see what we working with. Oh wait, hold on. It's kind of tight. It's a little tight for me. So low day was 81.41. High of day. There's a little bit there. Let's come down a little bit more. Yeah, they pulled back. Okay, yeah, I see what you're talking about. Yeah. Yeah, got some liquidity there. I would expect this to at least push up to about where it's at right now. So it'd be hard for me to like jump in, not having like seen it beforehand. That would have been a good little quickie though. You said what you're going. Hey, good stuff, Henry. Yeah, I feel like that's the kind of trading you got to do right now. Go for those shorter targets. Don't look for any crazy runs, but yo, we might have a little something with this trend line break or whatever. Let me keep this close to my. Let me use this little clip. Try to get this close to my mouth or something. You drop down on the SoFi. All right, so I see we're 63% red. So no, we're saying no chance of a rally towards the end of the day. Yo, look. Let me say this. Let me get this on y'all's mind. Say we break this trend on the day, right? 700 is right there. Look at it. It's so close. Look. So we're at about like what 685. Know how easy? Yo, we just got like a little over 2%. Think about it. Look, how many stocks over 2%? We got like APLD's up 4. The SPY only needs to move 2 for us to be at 700. All we need is a little wake up, and it's time to shine. D Scur said we have a rally before close today, but in red, hey, red finish to the year. Red finish to the year. I'm not even sure. Hey, friendly reminder to all y'all. I know some of y'all like in the Discord said y'all missed out on the Robinhood yesterday. It was like $2 worth of XRP. Today is the final day for the giveaways. Just wanna let y'all know. If y'all wanna ride with me, I had Siri set a timer for 11 hours. And whoa, hold up. I paused it. Hold up, hold up. I got to reset it. I didn't even realize I accidentally paused my timer. Hold up. I got to set a new one. I'm glad I just said this to y'all. Oh, dang. Yeah, I would have been way behind. All right, 1 second, y'all. Hey Siri, set timer for 8 hours, 45 minutes, and 30 seconds. All right, we're good now. We're good now. I just got to make sure the timer doesn't stop. Okay, so Kong said, can we look at Amazon? So I know Amazon's been chilling around like 231, 232. Yeah, it's still in that area. Um, yeah, we can look at it. There's really nothing to see right now until it gets out of this range. Uh, yeah, there's is there a certain way you want to look at it? Because there's really nothing I can say at the moment. It's like this is what I'm waiting on. But yeah, if I don't know how you want me to look at it, I really can't say anything except for it's coiling up, has a move ahead of it. Which way? Don't know. Um, I like buying it more behind 215. I can see it running up to highs too though. Like it's like anything can happen from where it's at. There's solid room for it to go both ways. But I would lean towards Amazon going up, but also it can go a little more down before it goes up. Um, but long term, this is a really good price to get Amazon. I think it's like one of the better valued Mag 7 stocks. Santa Rally goes, oh, 2 years in a row. I thought this was the third year actually. Hey, but they say the Santa Rally is till like the 5th of January, so we'll see how it goes till then. These girls said missed out on Hood. They give you 5 seconds. That's why I've missed out on it. Like most of the other ones that they've given away, like before this, like I guess these last 5 days or whatever, I have always missed. Like I think they gave it out on New Year's Eve last year. I was asleep because if they're trying to give something away at New Year's Eve, that's when I'm sleeping. I'm not awake at midnight typically. So that was kind of messed up of them, in my opinion, because whatever. I like right now that they're doing it at 7:30 instead, because some of us value our sleep, our recovery time. So that allows me to be able to better kind of actually take advantage of it. So I've been able to hit it whenever it's at a time like 7:30. But yeah, whenever they've done it at midnight, uh, I have missed out on every single one of those. But yeah, I kind of get on it like about 2 minutes before, and I just leave it open. And it's like if you leave it there, it's like all you gotta do is like it'll show some words for a moment and just click accept, and then I don't know, it's like a couple hours till they actually let you know what you got, but that's all it is. So love C, yo, top of the morning. Yo, happy you could make it for the final stream of the year. That's wild. D Skirt missed out on all five on Hood. Yo, I was like, not me this time. I will say though, there is a little bit of benefit to less people doing it, because it's like I think, for instance, yesterday it was you're it was a portion. You got a portion of $1 million worth of XRP. So that means like close to 500,000 people yesterday got it. But if for some reason only 100,000 people were on there, oh, it might have been closer to $10 instead of being almost instead of being like two. So it's like if I'm not doing anything, I'll give y'all like a little heads up before. Not if it's not, I'm not gonna let y'all know like right when I get on it because I'd probably miss it. But when it's like getting close, if I'm thinking about it, I'll be like, oh yeah, let me let the family know. So maybe y'all can set a timer or something. But it's nothing too crazy, but it does make a difference over time. Huh? Hold up. Nice. I actually. Oh, hold up. Yo, so we're here. Let's watching the hiking Ashi. We are above the trend line a little bit. Kind of watch for the fake out, but also see if the hiking Ashi wants to. Um, we might be able to get up first move 685. I might watch list a trade. I'm not. I don't think I'm gonna actually go for anything. I might watch list something today. But I'm an XRP owner now. Get ready, it'll hit 10K per coin by 2060. I think I have like 10 XRP right now, a total of 10. So hey, that's 100K. I'll take it. I'll take it. Hopefully that's like not even a drop in the bucket by that point in time, but I will take it. IWM. We can look at IWM. I can see like it sounds like you're looking kind of like for a day kind of move. Let's see what IWM looks like on the. Ooh, okay. Yeah, this thing is down. Oh, that's the one that. Ooh, hold up. It might be Yeah, it looks like it's approaching something. Oh well, actually, this is a 1 hour. Hold up. On the day. I mean, I would. Here, let's go to a 15. I thought it was on the 15. It's like it has potential. It's like I wouldn't want to just jump in right here, but it has potential. Like, but also like said potential. It's like I might look at it to go to like an extra like 20 cents from where it is right now. But if it can pull back to like 246.70, like actually pull over and make another low, that looks like a little more something right there. All right, so we got the hiking ashy candles kind of doing whatever. So what is it? I'm going to do a watch list trade. I'm not going to It's going to be a 0 DTE or actually, I'll try to keep it Nah, I'm gonna go for or look at tomorrow, or I guess the second, because the market's not open tomorrow. But here, let's see. So look, if we go for, where's it at? I'm gonna go for a 687 call expiring on January 2nd. All right, I've got it added at 107 per share. We're gonna just this is how we get our reps in. I know it's not the best time to trade right now, so we're here. I'm using the watch list. I'm in right here. And at about 685. Look. I think we could experience a slowdown at 685. So this will be price target 1. Here, let's say price target 1 is going to be about right there. And then price target 2 be about up here. And then full price target, if it wants to, price target 3 up there, high a day. So we'll see how that goes. Waiting for your 5.5 mil on XRP. Hey, that's solid money right there. I wonder what inflation will be like by that point in time. Oh, that's a nice Tesla. Shoot. Okay, Henry, you got your. I know you kind of hit your target, or maybe are close to your target, but Q's looking like it's starting to move too. Yeah, we got these hiking ashy candles. Let's see what goes on with the let's see. Good little trade, good little movement. See when we kind of lose the momentum. See if we can get the price target one. Where is it? Oh. Yeah, maybe I guess shrink this down or bring this over. What this is at 685.57. Let's slide this over a little closer. There we go. 686.33. Okay, yeah, we've got movement. Contracts up or it was up like $4. Oh, you got a runner left. Okay. Henry playing smart. Okay. Hey, no opportunities missed over here. So it's looking good. Jumped in on the SPY. Okay, nice. Yeah, we got a nice. Hey, look at those hiking ashies. They're doing their thing. Doing their thing. Yeah, we want them to move on up. Yeah, price target 1. 685.57. Got that break of trend line right there. Here, let's yo, my computer my computer's passing out a little bit. Well, this is 2025. Got my computer in 2021. Yo, this thing has done some like monster work for me, if I'm being real. M-Sense. Oh, that's crazy. You said lucky 13th. That room was booming, Matthew. There's this guy that if he doesn't trust you, you gotta watch out. But they call him Metro, and he be booming, and he usually wants some more. All right, let's see. I heard you get in spy. Hey, just know I'm in a spy. Like it's a watch list. Do know that. Also on a silver call. Oh yeah. So yeah, silver. Yeah, that was a pre-market when I had made that first little kind of morning message. Silver was the only thing I saw that had moved. Also missed Robinhood giveaway again. Hey, yo, last day today. I think today is supposed to be the biggest, but also it'll probably have more eyeballs on it. So I don't know. I think today will be the largest prize fund, but yeah, if the most people are paying attention, I've noticed each day the total fund it's pulled from has grew larger. But I think the largest portion of the fund I got was like maybe a couple days ago. Let's see. Hey, up like $5 on that contract. Hey, we still got the hiking ashies going green. Hey, here for it. Yo, my computer is working very hard. All right. So let's see. Oh shoot, hey, making moves. So we're about what is it? What like 18 cents away from wait, is that 18? Yeah. 16 cents away now from TP1. All right, hey, trying to flatten out on the hiking ashes, yo. We need that upward movement. Oh wait, hold up. These girls said Uber trying to go on as positive news today. Here, let's see. Let's pull that back up. trying. So it's around it's hit 81.97. For me, this is right in the golden pocket though for a retracement back to the downside. So gotta turn this around. Make sure we. All right, so little pull back to the EMA. The EMA is moving up though, but I'm not liking the hike in Ashi. I'm gonna need this to break this momentum right here and keep it going. All right, hold up. All right, so this was support. Maybe it's trying to reach test old support. Let's see. Okay, yo, that is quite the pullback right there. I looked down for half a second, trying to do some quick move math. Yo, that's kind of nasty. That's kind of nasty. Maybe. All right, let's see if we get a retest. But yeah, if it ends up, let me see this in a 15-minute, real quick. All right, it's not lost yet. they sold that mess off quick. Let's see if this is a retest though. Yeah, I don't know why all my stuff's being extra slow right now. I might need to. I don't know if it's my Wi-Fi. I know it's not my phone. Let's hop over to my other one. All right, it's trying to bounce there. We'll have to see. Watch it go for 700. Yo, yeah, that's what we need. That's what we need. Okay. All right, I'm gonna sit down. Yo, we should play a game or something. I don't know. I could see it close above 694 today. Would not shock you. What's it at? It's oh wait, hold up. That's Uber. I'm about to say. Oh yeah, $10 run. Hey, we trying to come back up, down from the entry on that other trade. Let's see. Down like $12 on that trade, but it's trying to do its thing. It's trying, I think. Cash flow game. I was legit thinking cash flow. If one of y'all like, I got three screens up right now. Actually, technically like four. Like if one of y'all wanna here, let me. I'm a start a game. if anyone wants to hop in and play cash flow, let me hold up. Let me cash flow. There's only a there's a hold on. Let's see. Let me get logged in. I'll create a room. I'll wait for y'all. Question for everyone. What stocks are you looking to invest in for 2026 that you think has the most potential growth? All right, so I I can answer this. What I am starting my year out in, like just based on like prices for today, there were a lot of cheap ones that I kind of wanted to go for, but for some reason, like I am really drawn towards Lucid. So I'm not like gonna throw a lot in, but that's gonna be my predominant like cheap one that I go for. That's like just full speculation. So I like Lucid for that. That is not anything I would follow. That is not financial advice. So I really like Lucid. The next one up in price, I got TTD. So I just like it at its price. Lucid would be like a hold. TTD might be like a trade where I ride it up to, I might target somewhere around like 70 or something like that, but that's almost 100% return if I ride it to 70. That's just one I'd be willing to just hold for some time. And then next price up, I got like Nike on there. And then I got Amazon. Like Amazon's like right now it says under 215, but I would still kind of like nibble where it's at right now. And then Meta, those are the ones that I'm like looking at for January right now, like just starting like that's where I'm starting at right now. Emerson says I've never played. I want in, but middle of cooking will be done soon. Okay, we got the spy kind of going back up, so it looks like it kind of retested that trend line. So yeah, right there we got a break and retest right there. So we'll see what happens with this, but yeah, it's looking good. But yeah, here I'll set up the room. I'll send the link to those of y'all that don't whatever, so y'all have time and no rush to hop in on this game. But yeah, it's going to be a slow day, so let me see how many people can even play. I feel like it's either 4 or 6. Let me see. Let me get logged in. It always has to send me an email to log in for some reason instead of like just me typing in a password. All right, let's see. All right, these curve. I'm looking at Amazon, Google, Meta. So overlap on Amazon and Meta. PL. What is PL? Let me see. Oh, platinum. Okay. Let's see. Aston Rocket Labs. I like all those. I mean, I would have to look more into the platinum, but yeah. Here, yeah, I'm trying to get signed in real quick to this game on the side. Hold on, let's copy link. Let's see if it'll let me just. Oh, that's annoying. Hold up. Oh, Planet Labs. Okay, it said platinum. Okay. When I had typed it in. Okay, let's okay. Mic volume is gone completely. What you mean? Hold up. Yo, that doesn't I'm showing that mic volume should still be here. Okay, you said it's back. Okay, cool. All right. M said crazy. I can't find the chat on my tablet. Oh, that's weird. Okay. All right. So I'm here on cash flow. Let's. What do I here? So in order for me to create a room, I gotta know how many people are interested. So we can take up to. Okay, Emson said on phone I can chat, but on tablet I can't. All right. So for cash flow here, I'm gonna send a link to the game. I haven't created the room. That's the link. I don't need to like make an account or whatever. But before I create a room, I need to okay, so that's one, D Scurv, that's two. Okay, so right now me and D Scurv makes two. Uh you said no rush to that rally today. Honestly, if I like realistically, if I were in this trade, I would probably cut out. Like just cause it's yeah, it's trying to mess around. I'm not trying to mess around. All right, Mass 3DRC, top of the morning, top of the morning. I don't know if you're trying to play, but if you're trying to play, I'll add you too. But yeah, yeah. So me and D Scurd. I know Emson said he might want to play after he's done cooking. All right, Emson said one. Yeah, like so. All right, so Emson makes three. All right, and then yeah, there's room for up to three more people. If y'all can like kind of play on the side, options grow at top of the. It's top of the morning here, but Henry said you can't hear. What's up? Hold up. So my computer is showing like there's audio. I don't know what's up here. I might have to here, let me see what y'all aren't hearing on my phone or whatever. Here, let's see. My mic is cutting in and out. Oh, okay. If my mic is cutting in and out, refresh the YouTube page. That's something YouTube does. But it could also be my computer. I'm not sure. But refresh your YouTube page. It does look like my computer has been acting up today. I'm really trying my best to hold out. Like my computer is it's a good computer, but I'm trying to hold out for an update. All right, so I would recommend y'all go to the top and refresh the page just in case. And then yeah, that's because it's like a lot of times with live streams when you do hear that, it'll kind of be. Um, all right, so I think I'm going to create the room with just the three. I'm gonna give it another 2 minutes just to see if anybody wanted to join in and play, but I might just create it with the three, and we'll kind of go. Rich Dad link has not come to my email yet. You said you can barely hear me. Wow. Ending the year with all the technical difficulties. Do I have any more mics? Hold on, y'all. My brother's trying to call me. I'm gonna actually mute it for a second, just so y'all know. Hold up. Let me. All right. All right. Sorry, my brother called. Apparently, my audio is really low right now. I don't know why I can't. Hold on. Let me see if there are any settings I can change on this. Let's try. Did I? Is the sound on? No, yeah. Sounds on. Yo. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Wait, what is this? Hold up. Let's. Okay, option grower hears me good. Let me. Let's. Can I? Hold up. Yo. I'm turning up a setting. I don't really know what it does, but I'm turning something up. Yeah, there we. Sound is working, just not strong. Okay, well. All right, D Scurv. It looks like. Yo, if you're down, it looks like it's just me and you. Hold up. I guess I will make it a room of two. So the game name. Yeah, I don't. And also, just update on the charts. I'm still watching the chart, still watching the chat. If y'all see anything, say something. But I still got the trade on my watch list. But realistically, I probably, with the time frame I got, I'd probably be out. Potentially watch for a better entry, especially if I had a zero DT, I'd definitely be out. But it's like it's possible. I'd be like, oh, let's hold this, see. But the target and like where I entered, it wasn't anything like crazy convincing. So appreciate the feedback, Johnny. All right, hey, we're gonna call this. I don't know what to call the game. Yo, I'm gonna just call it D Scurv. Yes, you see your name. You said still no sound. Hey, you might need to catch up. Cause yo, I see sound. I feel like everyone else is saying they hear sound. All right, so D Scurv, if you decide to hop in there, the 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 game is called D Scurv. I have set my name to be MM, and then yeah, if I see you in there, I will initiate the game. I just got it up on the side. Yo, the spy trying to push up somewhere. Still, or trying to, like it's hugging this 685.22. All right, top dog. Yo, sound is fine. Yeah, y'all are sending me mixed signals. I'm sitting here talking about or thinking about how I'm telling Henry stuff, but he's not hearing me. So I'm gonna tell him to leave the stream and come back. You said sounds a lot better now. That's good to hear. All right, spy still trying to move. Is that my wife? Yep, that's my wife. I think I probably have the most busted Tesla in this neighborhood. Don't get me wrong, my Tesla's not like busted, but compared to all the other ones, it looks like it is. I'm like, it's like that one's like it's like that Tesla looks like I don't know. It just looks like it needs some love. That's all. And it's not like one of the newer ones, but hey, it does a great job. It does the job it needs to do. Yeah, well, it's 11:36. Options grower. Oh, you laughing? Okay. Yeah, I just moved to a new neighborhood, and it's like I I don't know, in this neighborhood, all the Teslas over here are nicer than ours, which is I think that's nice because I like being with the. Wait, okay, the market is slow today. Have not made a trade yet. Letty, I'm gonna be real. Um, this is like honestly like with most like real traders, they probably haven't traded since like the 16th when the volume dropped. Like for sure since Christmas. Like, so like if we here, let me zoom out. Here, we'll take this chart for the Qs. Go to the daily chart. Oh, hold on, wrong one. But when it comes to things, if you look at the volume for the Qs, it's been a steady decline since the 18th. If we change this to the SPY has been a steady decline in volume since the 16th. So like right now it's actually like a really bad time to what is it? It's a bad time to trade. You got a lot of tax loss harvesting going on, and yeah, most people just enjoying their breaks in their free time. That's like honestly, if it weren't for y'all, I wouldn't even be here right now. Like 100%, I'd just be like, yo, let's see what's up. But it's like I know that some of y'all will be here anyway, and it's like I'm still at home, so it's like yo, if y'all got any questions or like want any feedback on anything, I'm here. And like if I can save y'all some money, yo, I'm about it. All right, options grower caught the short, got in a little late, then it got choppy. Hit my stop loss and a little profit, then saw the reversal. Ended. Hey, that's hey, nice. Danny, hey, thank you for being here. Like, honestly, I just like interacting. Like, I want y'all to understand that a lot of my interaction and socialization is my wife, my the family I grew up with. There's nothing wrong with that, but it's like you gotta understand that not everybody that I interact with, like in I guess I mean this is the real world, but not everyone that I interact with in my daily life is into the same things I'm into. So I think that's originally why I got on YouTube is to create a community of like-minded individuals to find people into the things I'm into. Once again, like some of y'all like hear this all the time, but like I dropped out of nursing school, and like at that point in time in my life, everyone around me they were talking about lacerations, cuts, and like just different diseases and like I don't know, trying to diagnose themselves with everything, and then it's like, oh, you know what? I'm free from this. I don't really want this stress, and yeah. All right. So D Scurv, hey on cash flow is asking. The password is 1234. The password is 1234 D Scurv. So yeah, once you get in, we can get started. Do I think Netflix will drop below 93? So personally, I think Netflix is one I have on my list, like my larger list. Like I already said what 5 stocks I'm looking at like early on into the new year, but Netflix is on my larger list and I have it like I will start buying at $83 or lower. So me personally, yes, I think Netflix will drop below 93. Time frame, I have no idea. It like a lot of stocks and whatnot look like these curves in the room. Let's get it. All right, yo, start the game. All right, so these curves. Let me. Oh wait, first off, we choose our dream. So I'm gonna choose a dream real quick. Let's see. Let's see. You know what? I'm a heli ski the Swiss Alps. So honestly, it doesn't even really matter that much. But hey, real quick, I'm gonna take my turn. I'm playing this game with D Scurv. All right, so just to explain, and I'm gonna slide on the screen a little bit so y'all can see kind of a little bit. What's going on? You said that's loud. Wait, what's? Oh wait, do I have my computer sound on too? Hold up. Let's turn that. I don't know. I don't know if that like. Yeah, let's turn everything off except for my mic. I don't know what's going on. You said you could. Okay. All right. So I fixed that. Okay. All right. I didn't even know all that stuff was on, but I have everything muted. But here, I'm gonna throw my roll and yo, I just rolled. There's not really anything I can do, so I'm gonna end my turn. Now D skirt, you choose your dream and yeah. All right, but yeah, y'all won't hear the game anymore. So and these curve, don't hesitate to ask questions. I understand how the game works. It doesn't. I had no idea at first when I was first playing it. Um, uh, but yeah, with the Netflix question, I do think it. Hold on, y'all. My wife is making some noise. I'm gonna take a quick look and see what's she doing. She. I'm about to. I was just making sure when the thing didn't go. All right, I'm back, and okay, yo, you said be right back. All right, so D Scurv, I don't fully know what's going on, but it looks like actually I don't know what your balance sheet looks like. I see it looks like you're looking at your balance sheet. You may not have debt to pay back, or maybe you don't have money to pay back. I don't know, but yeah, you might just need to finish your turn. I don't fully know, but I'm here, man. SoFi with the steady come down. Spy is like oh, maybe like tightening up here. Let's see. We might have a little channel on Spy. Let's see. Either a channel or like here. Let's see. Let's see. Where's see if we try to do something like this. Let's see if this ends up being anything. That's newly drawn on Spy. Okay, it's my turn. I'm about to roll. Hopefully y'all don't hear anything. Oh, y'all, I just had a baby. So now my expenses increased by $180 a month. That's my turn. Life just got a little bit more expensive. All right, got a notification from Moomoo. Berkshire Hathaway attracted its biggest bullish block trade. Okay, so people are there's like an order block on Berkshire Hathaway. Oh, it's my turn again. Let's see. All right, so I collected some money. You know what? I might pay off a little retail debt. Let's see. Increase my cash flow just a little bit. Okay. Ooh, D Scurv just got a cappuccino machine. Okay. Coffee guy. All right, Dominique. It goes play, play, play. That was cool for a moment. I taught it. Wait, what's going on, Dominique? For a moment. You taught a scammer to enter your phone. Are you talking about when we were playing the game? Ooh, hold up. I got a deal opportunity. Let's see. Hold up. Let's see. Oh no, I'm gonna pass on that. Here. High yield preferred shares of domestic electric power company. Ooh, I can buy some shares. I can't buy any shares on the market today. Ooh, hold up. Oh no, I didn't realize it was $1,200. Oh no, I'm gonna pass on that. Why am I getting so fast? D Scurv, did you drop out of the game? I think so. It's just me now. All right, I'll back out. All right, SoFi. Hey, SoFi is pulling back to that level. Emerson said, "Wow, listening to you guys play has me geek edge. I'm going to get my siblings to play some One Gas, the real thing." Oh, so my dad has the real thing. My dad and my wife and I played once, or I guess my parents have it. Oh, you got kicked out. Okay. Yeah, at first I thought you had there's a something that makes you like miss some turns. Okay. Yeah, the spy. Yeah, I'd be done with this spy trade just for the record. But SoFi, there might be an opportunity. It looks like it could be approaching that liquidity. So this spy trade was a bust. Now I'm looking towards if SoFi can pull back to 26, 29, or 28, that might be something. It's once again at low of day. You said you're in, but don't see the room anywhere. Hey, that's like I see like right now. I see you here, but yeah, it's not yeah, you had me tripping for a bit, Dominique. All right, so SoFi. I have an alert set on that level. Yeah, that's kind of messed up. It kicked you out. I guess I'll leave the room. All right, so I left the room. Earlier, thought it was a hacker because, oh, you're on the lottery app trying to play. Okay, okay. Wow, wow. That'd be wild too. Like if a hacker kind of got in, bro. I think twice this month I've received mail saying like that like I don't know, say it was a company and they said there's a data breach and they're like, oh, they got access to all this information. I saw that twice this month. One was like back in January of this year, and it said, I'm like, first off, why am I just now finding out about this? And it said they pretty much got access to everything, social security and everything. I'm like, okay. And it was like an insurance company. I think it was Blue Cross Blue Shield. I was like, yo, what? And it's like I hadn't even had like what's wild is I haven't even had like health insurance with them since like I don't know. Like I was in college. So it's like I hadn't even like used them for so long and not sure what happened I was in, but did not see the room. So these curve it's happened before, like with my wife. Oh, hold up. I see D curve too. Did you create that? I see a room called D curve. Oh, it only shows one person. Wait, what? Hey, why does BBAI keep dropping? Everything's dropping right now. A lot of people are taking, so a lot of the prices dropping right now is what's referred to as a tax loss harvesting. Here, let's see. I'm not sure if I can. Here, let's. Okay. Okay, I think. Wait, let me try it again. Wait. Yo, it's not even letting me. It's like I click on it, I type in the password. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. I'll try Dscurve 3. All right, if you see it, it's yeah. All right, one more time. There we go. Dscurve 3. Password 1234. But BBAI, let's see. Okay, I see you in there now. Hopefully it doesn't kick us out. All right, so I'm just gonna do stock market for kids. Ooh, I got a deal opportunity first play. Oh no, no, I'm a fast. All right, now choose your dream. All right, but BBAI is going down. Here, let's go up to a higher time frame. BBAI is one I have on my list too, but I'm not buying it till at least 420. But I have that it can come down to like a stronger buy is like 230 or something, 238 for me. So BBAI, in my opinion, needs to come down, but where it is, it's oversold. So it might, I could see it popping back up to like 6 at some point for a retest. Hey, K Gates. Yeah, I'm gonna just say K Gates. What's up, family? Just got in the chat. You say, am I trading now? So right now, volume is low, so I'm here for if you want to look at any charts. But honestly, I'm probably not trading anything at the moment. I might watch list a trade if SoFi can come to this 26, 28 level. But as of right now, no, I'm not trading anything. All right, so I'm gonna roll. It's my turn. All right, I got another deal opportunity. Oh no, I'm gonna pass on that. All right, these scurries still playing. I'm gonna have to give y'all a play by. Oh, it's my turn again. All right. Ooh, another deal opportunity. I keep getting these. Ooh, this one has a negative cash flow. I'm a pass on that. We want a positive cash flow. Oh, these curve parked in the handicap parking spot. All right. Small deal. Yeah, I'll take this. Let's see. Hold up. Sorry, y'all. I'm trying to buy some stock in this game. Just got my first opportunity. All right, y'all. Yep, just bought some stock. 500 shares or something. I'm a big shot in this game. You know how we do. This is one of the games that got me into the stock market like I am. All right, this. All right. Ooh, another deal opportunity. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna pass on. All right, let's look at the charts. Let's see what's. We'll go to a weekly chart. Hey, zooming out on BBAI, it looks like it has some kind of here, let's see. Let me right here, let's try to go from here or something. Or a draw like that. Oh, it's my turn. Let's see. I guess that's my turn. All right, so I'm gonna get rid of that old one. But oh, you know what? Let me make this black. There we go. I feel like it's better whenever they're different colors. Oh, my turn again. If y'all could buy 10 acres for $5,000, would y'all buy 10 acres for $5,000? That's a lot of land. Would it even matter if you don't have like utilities on it? All right, so yeah, BBAI kind of got like this. Oh, hold up. This kind of pennant formation on the weekly. Let's say we break this trend line. I don't know. Might come down some more. Wait, hold up. D Scurv is beating me right now, or he's ahead of me right now. I see he has more cash flow than me. All right, let me find out D Scurv been playing this in his free time. Let me find out. Okay, you gotta pass on that. So here, yeah, I'm gonna go through the list again. Oh, the VIX is low. Oh, it's my turn again. Let's go. Oh, I went to a concert. They charged me $180. That's wild. Yeah, gold is pulled back. Not quite like silver, but it's pulled back. Oh, it's my turn again. Let's see. Oh, come on. Ooh, really? That's not even cool, y'all. They just took almost 2 grand from me. And I lose 2 turns. That's not even cool. Bro, silver is like yo, this hammer on silver, bro, he's not looking the best. Oh, these did the same thing happen to you too, these Scurf? That's crazy. That's crazy. What are the odds? Okay, so I guess my teams didn't really get skipped because it happened to D Scurv too. That's kind of wild. Ah, wait. Cash flow is negative to exit. Dang. All right. Good afternoon. Just got. Oh, you said my mic is still low. So unfortunately, yo, it seems like it got lower. Hold up. How's that even possible? Yo, yeah, my mic is kind of. I don't know what's up with it. It seems kind of all right, but that's weird. Okay, so you said, by the way, my mic is still low. Um, yeah, this might be a problem till Friday, or I guess till Monday, because they kind of deliver like after stream time. You said there it goes. Yeah, I kind of noticed like I've been holding the mic in the same spot, and it's you know what? Let me do this so I kind of have a little mic stand in front of me. That way I'm not just holding it. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Got my own little mic stand. Yeah, yo, 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 yo. D-Scurb, did it? Is your game over? Yeah, that's something else. But hey, y'all let me know. Are y'all reading any good books? Are y'all reading any good books right now? Any like I don't know, I really enjoy like personal development or whatever. The computer volume might be messing with it. I noticed you cut out while we were playing. Said I was bankrupt. Yeah, it did. Yeah, that's yeah. That usually kicks you out of the game. Or that's usually yeah, that is the one way to lose the game. But from what I was seeing before this turn, it looked like you had better cash flow than me. Cause I didn't have cash flow yet. But it looks like you may have overextended yourself. Life may have kind of done its thing. But it's happened to me before. All right, SoFi a little off the bottom. Oh, okay. Oh no, you're still in the game. Still in the game. Looks like you can sell assets. Oh, oh, never mind. Maybe not. I'm looking at the cash flow. It's looking like yeah, you want to pay attention like when you're buying stuff, pay attention to like the effect it has on your cash flow. So some things will be negative, some things will be positive. Is it done? It's like I saw stuff for you. Now I don't see anything. Just finished reading Psychology of Money. I got the what is it? I got that on Kindle. So I like that. I like that one. That's a good book. That's a good book. Psychology of Money. If you haven't read it, I recommend it. It's a good one. Y'all got any more books y'all read or like any favorites y'all read this year? I'm reading one right now. At first I thought it was kind of boring a little bit, but then I don't know. There are like some chapters I'm like, oh yeah, that's good, and I'm like, oh yeah, that's actually good, and it kind of keeps me in check. I think I bought it like a couple days before Thanksgiving. I bought it while we were on a stream, and it's called let's see, it's called Ego is the Enemy, and I kind of like I got the book. I kind of like listen to audio book. Like I'm trying to like do that when I feel like I wanna. So these girls sold my stuff and showcast, but it won't let me do anything. Have you tried taking out any loan? Actually, I have no idea. You might be done for the game if it won't let you do anything. Let me see. Cause you got that little financial statement on the side, and then like let me pull it up over here. So you got like the little financial statement over on the side, and you can see like your income, and ideally like this total, like the way you like lose and get to a point where you can't do anything is whenever your total expenses or this, yeah, you have like my total expenses are 1950. My passive income is zero, and I make 3100 a month, but my net kind of profit or the money I get to keep right now is 1150. Bro, what's going on with the volume? That's so weird. I'm still showing that it's the volume is there. Like it's not showing that it's gone or anything. I'm seeing the volume should be there. That is, bro. This is crazy. This is crazy. All right, sorry, missed some of the conversations. What do you think of? Wait, what do you think about technical analysis of financial markets? Is that a book? Is that what you're asking me for? CCAA corner? I mean, I'm not familiar with it. I can look at it real quick. Let's see. What is it called? It's called wait, let me go to Amazon. Technic wait. Analysis of financial markets. I'm gonna be real. Most of the books that I have read, like most of the books that I have read that do with like charting, candlesticks, stuff like that, I have found much better information on like YouTube and like even like reels and stuff. I found stuff that I found to be more relevant. Okay, Master DRC may have come to a conclusion. I think every time you play the game and mute your mic, the computer volume is mixed. Okay, so I'm gonna just stop playing the cash flow game because I know Master 3DRC. I don't know if y'all know, but he's a DJ, and he might know what's up. So hey, I think we're gonna cut the game off. Maybe next time I'll like play it on my iPad or something. But yeah, I'm gonna cut the game off. All right, so the game's cut off. So y'all let me know if we have any more problems. But yeah, I closed out the game. So D Scurv, I'm out of the game. But yeah, my experience when it comes to like books on technical analysis, candles, like my history, I've had a book on candlesticks. I've had a book on like supply and demand. There may have been one other one too, and I had a couple that I didn't even read at all. And they seemed they seemed good when I was reading them. I was like, oh, this is cool. And then I like kind of try it. I'm like, the one on supply and demand. I'm like, this is very kind of extra. It's not that serious. And then like I took, I actually didn't learn it on YouTube. I took like a course. Like I paid like 2 grand for a trading course, and that is when I got like my grasp on like supply and demand. But it was a lot simpler than what was taught in the book. And I'm like, yo, all this being taught to me in this book, it was like really specific, but it seemed like a load of kind of hooey for the most part. I don't think it made the difference. Wait, okay. Needed a simple book that will teach me real charting. Hey, there are several stories on books and they can be confusing. Or there are. Okay, okay. Need a simple book that'll teach me. Maybe. Maybe there's a book in the future for me. I don't know. I might have to like work together with some AI or something. See how we. Because the idea of a book seems daunting, but like if it's like maybe make it like a little kind of like kitty book. But sometimes you can really get good information from. Oh, hold up, we got the mailman in my driveway. Hold up, I gotta see what I gotta see what they're delivering. Hold up. Oh, it's a big box. Actually, it's a male woman. Okay. I might have to go. Actually, my wife's out there, but okay. Oh wait, D Scurv says something is happening in the market right now. Just got a spike in Tesla, Apple, and Spy. Let's see. All right, so here we're gonna say Apple. Oh yeah, that's pushing up. Here, let's see. Well, I see Spy's up. Let's take a look at Tesla too. Where did I do the training? I'm not sure he does one, but his name was like if you follow him on Instagram, his name is Sire Abram. I just put his name in the chat. But honestly, like everything I learned, plus some things I didn't learn, like I have put on this channel. He's pretty much to simplify it. It's just going to teach you. He's going to teach you market structure and supply and demand. I would say it's good if you need somebody kind of on your back telling you. Like if you need somebody like you, I don't know. He gave kind of like homeworks to do every day. So if you need somebody giving you homeworks and need feedback on your homework, then that's cool. If you're somebody who's like, hey, I just need to know what to learn, then it's gonna be like learn market structure, like learn breakup structure, like and then market structure shifts and all that, and like just trading ranges, and then supply and demand. That's gonna be it right there. And then what a manipulation move is, that's it. Nickel and Dimed is a pretty good book about an executive who went. Oh, you know that sounds good. Let me write that down. Nickel and Dimed. I like that, or at least I like the sound of it. I might buy that. Might be my next one. Let's see. Nickel and Dimed. Wait, hold up. No, that's pretty cool. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna bring that package in real quick. right, we back. Okay. K Gates, I wrote a book. You should check it out. What's is it on Amazon? I was like, I'm definitely not opposed to it. Not opposed to it. Let me give me the book name. All right, so we got SoFi pulling back again. That could that could be something. Honestly, that could be a 4 hour move. So that might be something like, hey, that could be a swing into the new year. That might actually be something. Oh wait, hold up. All right, so there's liquidity here, like at this 26.28. So look, this might be like somewhere where it's like, hey, right here, this is an okay entry. This would be like optimal. This 26.10. But like this might be like if you're taking like a tiered entry, you start entry like a light entry here, and then when you get here, it's like, oh, full on, full on. But yeah, that looks good. And then no, yeah, that looks good. Oh, this is the bottom of the range though. That is bottom of the range. So, but also no, yeah, that looks good. That looks good. But yeah, K Gates, let me know the book. Oh yeah, y'all for real, put me on some books. It's been a really good year. Grew a lot, but I know I kind of go crazy is when I like actually read. I didn't read like a crazy amount of books this year. Maybe like two or three. I think like the year before, I don't know, it was at least like 15. I don't like read like crazy, but I was like, I know the more books I got in me, the more I want to like share, and the more that I'm creating whenever I'm like consuming books and stuff. Because there's a lot of like little concepts that I'm not even like necessarily thinking about. Yo, oh yeah, just checking my audio. Just checking my audio. Oh yeah, I'm gonna also take a moment to like plug myself, y'all. I got an Instagram. It's a little trading Instagram. I'm gonna say if y'all aren't, y'all should follow. Adversity for Sale by Jeezy. Here, let's see. Let me look at it. Adversity. You know what? Let me. Okay, adversity. Okay, hold on. Let's see. Wait, where is it? Okay, yo, it came up. You gotta believe. Okay, let's see. I think I like it. Let's yo, let me add it to the list. So, adversity for sale. What was that other one? Nickel and dimes. Yeah, yeah. I think I like your suggestions. M sense. Let's see. Yeah, let me add this to the list. The new 100. Oh, is that the Instagram? You shouting out the new 100 Instagram or let's see. All right, Spot trying to push up again. It still hasn't gone to TP1. Oh, is that inside or outside? That better be outside. Oh, it's outside. YouTube channel. Hey, you making it happen? Okay, we're trying to move a little bit on the spy now, just a little bit. Let me see where that watch listed trade even was. You said it might be Instagram as well. Gotta check. Oh, that watch listed spy call is up $1 now. Once again, it's watch list, but oh, it's break even now. But hey, look at that. Still in the game. You said you can purchase on here. Just know if you're dropping any links in the chat, it's not going to show. So I would need to like you'd have to tell me. Just because of like spam and all that, the only people who can post links in the chat and it show is me. So it's like just so you know, if you are dropping any links, I am not seeing it. Y'all, I wanna like share something that I saw today on Instagram that I found to be really inspirational. It's something Chris Sane posted. I'm not sure if he posted it today, but it was on. Let's see. Let me see. I don't even know where it went, but I saw it was something. Oh, here. So he like posted it on December 22nd, and Chris saying the caption says, "I remember when 100K a year was impressive until I consistently made 100K, and then in parentheses it says 600K a month. I remember when $1 million was impressive until I consistently made 1 million a month." He said, "God plays way too much. He sits back and laughs at our little goals and dreams while we avoid the plans, no, the plans he has for our life." And I was, as I was like reading that this morning, I was like, wow. I kind of like look at kind of where I am now, and I'm like, I kind of look ahead, and I'm like, I feel like I'm making money now, but also I'm like, this is like nothing on the trajectory on where I am likely to be, and then also like just thinking back where I was a year or two ago. It's like if I look at like where I am now, I'm like, I thought this was like so much, and I just kind of felt it as I was reading it. And I think he said, I'll probably leave the game soon, 3, 5 years max, maybe sooner. And then he said, but it was important for me to show the overlooked and the underdogs what's possible. And he wanted to show you I wanted to show you you can become the best and reach the top, being your authentic self. You know that being positive, success takes longer, it's slower. Talking about God doesn't get you invited on the popular podcast, but wanted to show you you can make it without gimmicks. You can make it without tearing black women down, tearing each other down, hating on one another, entertaining foolishness, being messy or controversial. I did it my way. I did it God's way. I showed you it's possible, and you don't have to sell your soul to reach that mountaintop. I transparently documented the entire journey for the world to witness. Be inspired. I'm nobody special. I just happen to be one of God's chosen ones, and he don't play about me. I was like, oh, I was like, nice. Okay, let's see. Okay, so K Gates, through it all, the journey of grace, grit got here. Let's see. See what this is. I'm gonna play this to add more. Wait. Okay. So would it be .com? So after that, it would be .com/product page, right? Because that's what I think I'm seeing. It's like a blue website with a with a with kind of like a star, right? Is it a physical copy or is it like a? Are there any like digital versions anywhere? Because I would pay the same price. I would like a digital version. But it's like I would like to read the story. It sounds like a good one. I would like honestly like a way to like save this and come back later to it. Or I can probably here, let me see it. Life changing vibe. Hello, I'm new to options. Does anyone know to put the short and long position? Short and long position. What do you mean? Um, Let me see. Also, hold up. Yeah, what do you mean by the short and long positions? When you say how to put the short and long positions. D Scurs said, FYI, I'm in the SPY and up $2 on the contract. I'm up like 4 on it right now. It's still moving up. It's like 10 cents away from take profit 1, TP1. The SPY is like really sent us on a journey today. Oh, you're talking about an actual like short position. No, I've actually never shorted a position. Here, let me. What portfolio am I? I don't even think I can short because it's like usually if you're going to short something. Oh wait, hold up. Oh wait, hold on. No, that's something I actually own. But usually if you're going, oh wait, hold on. Let me go to something I don't own. Usually you would hit trade, and then it would either be like where it says buy, you would hit sell or short. But here, let me check on Weeble because I know for sure I like Weeble. You can do it on Weeble, but so yeah, on yeah, typically you would just if you wanted to short instead of buy, you would just hit sell. Oh, you said it's an indicator? I don't know anything about it then. I keep with I kind of keep to like just the standard just like the EMAs and RSI and volume kind of indicators. You said, yeah, I probably need to just open a Weeble account. I feel like I heard something about being able to, but yeah, I have no. If I'm being honest, I have no idea. I've never actually shorted a position. All right, so it looks like TP1 just got hit. Okay, nice. Let's see how that contract's doing. All right. Spy trying to wake up a little bit. All right, where's that watch listed trade? All right, so that contract it's up like $9. I feel like there was a point it was up like 15, but all right, take profit 1 has been hit. Take profit 2 is up at 86.33. I'm gonna see if we'll see if it hits before the stream's over. Spy broke the downtrend on the day. Time will tell. Yeah, we got like honestly I can probably try to redraw what I drew earlier. A little channel. Oh wait, hold up. Slide that over. Let's go for something like that. See if it stays in there or if it goes on. It'd be nice if it goes on. Because if it stays in there, it's not going straight for take profit too. But yeah, it's already up 18 on the SPY. You got a better contract. Mine's up like it's up like 10. Okay. All right, SPY up $12 on the SPY. Oh, it's trying to go for it. It's heading to the top of the little, what is it? The channel. SPY trying to give us some. He said Apple trying to push. Hey, the SPY looks a little bit. Yeah, I'll say SPY looks a little bit more aggressive, or at least like when it comes to just how steep it is. Oh, why do I have Tesla on the 4 hour? I was trying to see it on the lower time frame earlier. Okay, SPY up $14. Okay, is it going for TP2 or is it going to reverse at the top over here? Up like $14. Okay, little action, little movement action. Okay, trying to work for some lunch money. Little pullback action. Okay. Yo, if Apple can get above like 273.15, might be in business. All right, SPY is at the top of the channel. Will it proceed on? Up 16 on that SPY contract. But I told you I would have been out probably over here. I wouldn't be trying to like wait around for this. Yo, are we live? Am I live? Yeah, we're live. We're live. Crazy. Had this shoulder and neck massager sent to me. Live and in Memorex. What is Memorex? So my volume just went dark. Do y'all think Apple? I think saying anything by the end of the day is that's a stretch. Life changing vibe. I'm not sure if you were here for me saying it earlier, but honestly, this is legit the worst time of year for day trading. These past 2 weeks, the volume has been incredibly low. This is probably legit the worst day of the year to day trade. You do not have the volatility or movement that you typically would, or you don't have the volume that you typically would. So just want to let you know. But yeah, when it comes to like saying stuff like Apple to 273 or 275, I'm gonna say that is cannot give a by the end of the day kind of scenario. I would say it's possible, but beyond that, I have nothing else to say. All right, SPY kind of find a little resistance at the upper channel, so this might be the range. Might be if we don't end up coming up and through this, that might be the channel right there. I hope Apple does. I have contracts expiring tomorrow. Oh dang, yeah, that's a move here. Let's see. Let's zoom out. Oh wait, hold on. Yeah, it could have a little trouble at 273.67 or so. Hey, I'm gonna say that would be a nice move. That would be a wild move. I'm gonna say odds are low, but stranger things have happened for sure. How long till close? So the market closes in a little over 2 hours. So 2 hours, 7 minutes. We'll probably end the stream in about 7 minutes, but yo, that'll be it for the year. That's wild. Yeah, friendly reminder. Robinhood, free whatever. It's been a lot of free crypto. Is in like 6 hours and 37 minutes or so. So and let's all right, yo, Spy is trying to is knocking at the top of this channel. It might push through. Next thing we're watching for on this 5 minute time frame, should it like hold above, would be 686.12. That contract's up $18. We love to see it. Oh, full day. Yeah, the market. Yeah, it's a full day. It's a full day. Yeah, we had this conversation yesterday. I thought it was a half day. Oh, contract is up $20 now. Let's go. Let's go. That would be a hard fought 17% that contract's up right now. Very hard fought. A lot more green across the market now. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, Apple's slightly in the green. Nvidia's been green all day actually. It was more in the green earlier. TTD's in the green. AMD low in the green. Netflix low in the green. APLD. Yo, let's bring it up. Bring it up. Send it up to 700. That would be quite the run. All right, yeah, contracts up 20%, $22. Okay, good little 20%. That is a hard fought battle though. Yo, this trade has been in since like what over here at like about 10:50 my time, and it is now. Yeah, it's been like over 2 hours for this $22 of movement. Very hard fought. Yeah, so we hit 686. Pre-market high is actually, where is it? Yo, what was that like 687, 80? This contract could end up doing some stuff later, but I won't be around to see. Apple high a day and still trying to push. Yo, I'm gonna need at least another 40 cents from Apple. My spot, my spy contract not gonna move until about 687, and that ain't break even. I'll take another four. Hey, yeah, we'll take another four on Apple. If every stock in the market wants to give an extra $4 right now, I'm here for it and I'll allow it. I would say it would be a great motion to close out the year. And speaking of closing out the year, family, yo, that is going to do it for the day. No wait, that is going to do it for the year. This is crazy, family. Yeah, just want to say, yo, thank each and every one of y'all for being a part of this journey. I would like to say, I hope you have be safe. If any of y'all are doing anything tonight, I'm probably not, but if any of y'all are doing anything tonight, be safe. People like to be dumb and do dumb things, so be safe. If y'all are any trades, taking any trades, I pray that they all go your way. But first and most importantly, Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Y'all have a blessed 2026. I'll see y'all next year. Peace out, M Sense. Peace out, life changing vibes. Peace out, D Scurv. Peace out, options growing. Hey, welcome to the family, life changing vibe. Mass 3DRC. Hey, peace out. Yeah, y'all have a happy New Year. Wishing you much prosperity and good vibes and all that stuff. So yeah, here's to another year of growth. Yeah, let's get it. Wait, D Scurv said doing nothing except watch some b-ball and read the word. Hey, I'll do that too. Probably not. Probably not read or no. Probably not watching b-ball. Probably not. Actually, hold up. Never mind. Possibly. I don't know. We'll see. Whatever happens. Elegant boom. Peace out. Hey, yeah, with that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family. Yeah, hopefully we got a better mic next time. But peace out.